Did get here early before they open. Oh, parking lot's actually open. Parking lot usually ain't even open this early. Holy crap. Okay, all right. Look at the parking lots. Here early today. Might get to show y'all some stuff. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video out at the Citadel. Got here early, so should be able to get in right when they open. I think they don't open for like what, 10 more minutes, something like that. All right, let's go see what we find. Do got a little crowd. Oh, they got water and stuff outside. Got a few resellers waiting on the right. All right. I think they're about to open up. This is why I hate coming early. Look at how big the line gets in the front. There was only like, what, 3 people in front of me. All the fools who were waiting right there all of a sudden just jump up. Kind of annoying. But this is what you have to go through if you want to come early. All right, they're opening up. There's at least 40 people in front of me. All right, let's go. See what we find. No heat wall. Got all kinds of J's in the huge section over there. Size, what is that size? Size 10. Oh shit. Look at this. Maybe I might get one. 10. Let's see. Yeah, they have a size 10 right here. The resellers grabbing all theirs. The mids, I got the mids right there. Yep. Do they just put all the Jordans right there now? Oh, it looks like they just throw all the Jordans right here now. That's what I'm wondering. Sorry. Okay, yes. They do have the 8s right there. You have the 8s. Also got the 12s. So got these. Also have the 8s. Got these in a bunch of different sizes. Replacement box right there. I was just talking to someone and they said they really wanted these. I forgot who it was though. Dang it. Alright, I think the Jordans are all on the right now. Alright, let's look around the rest. Remember, it is 30% off. Do get another 20% off with the membership. Some of these fools make new memberships and then they get an extra 15% off. That's what most of the resellers do. Alright, let's look around now. Do got a bunch of the 36s, 175 for those. Seeing a bunch of those. KDs going for 130 with all them extra discounts, kind of crazy. Remember, we're getting almost 50% off today. That's why I'm releasing that other video, just at least explaining that to everybody on YouTube. $90 for these. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. Did I mention? Yeah, I'm starting on the size 10s. All these are 10s. Manoa leathers going for retail. But right now, even retail, man, 30 and then 20 off on top of that. These are the size 11, 10 and a half, Air Force One highs, $1.25. Size 10, $80 for the Jordan 200s. Witness 5 down to $70. Still a few of these left over. Oh, this is a 10 and a half. I guess I could get a 10 and a half. I didn't see the 10 and a half. I only saw the size 10 earlier. So I guess I can grab these. $100. This comes down to about like 105 or something. 190 down to 105. Thinking about it. Not loving them too much, to be really honest, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, got these right here. Size 11, $1.90. Just got a 10 and a half. That's crazy. I've never seen them put all the Jordans right here. That's interesting. It is interesting because I've never seen them put all the Jordans here. Still got the 11s, 12s. Got a little bit left. Okay. Also got these. I don't know if these are on sale, but I've never seen them put Jordans up here. Never seen them put them up here. This is size 12. These 5s right here, I actually like these better than the ones I have in my hands right here. I actually like these better. And then got these. I'm not a fan of those. Got more. Oh, they got more 5s right here. All the resellers grabbed their 5. I think they're doing 5 per color style or per SKU here. I think that's what they're doing. Size 12s. Witness 6 is going for 95. Icons going for 70. Or I'm sorry, 80. My bad. Package 37 down to $60. That's hella cheap. Size 13 Jordan Access, $67. 2070s, 12 and a half. Or Air Max 2090s going for $90. That's a 12 and a half. I'm thinking about it, man. should I even get these? Even though they're $100, am I gonna wear them? I don't know about this colorway, dude. I really don't. I love the 5. I might have to pass on these. I might have to pass, dude. I got caught up in the hype. I think I'm gonna have to pass on these. Shout out to the homie Charles. Got to say what's up. We talked for quite a bit. All right, let's go back. I think we're in the size 13s. I'm gonna be honest, they're really not really finding much in the big sizes. Checking the huge section right here. Pegs 36s go for $50. Charles told me they had LeBrons here for like $50 one day. God dang it, I missed out. Dude, $50, and then like if they had any additional discounts, that would have been crazy too. But yeah, the Take Ones go for 50, 55. Air Max 2090s go for 55. There's just not much in the huge sizes. There's 11.5. Oh man, if they had a size 11, I probably would pull the trigger on this, to be really honest. God dang it. Let me check the app. All right, so they don't have my size in this. You can check online using the app. It shows you exactly how many pairs or what sizes they have and stuff. So I will throw that on the side so you guys can take a look at that. Do not have my size. If they did, I probably would pull the trigger on this because it'd be close to $100. Wow. So that'd be done. All right, we're checking out the smaller sizes now. Series 0.2s or 0.02s going for 50. Damn, with them extra discounts, those are going for free almost. God damn, dude. Zion 1s down to 75. Oh, we are in the size 9s. Hirachi Creator Premiums go for 90. Size 8s now. Oh, damn, regular price for that. Size 7 Air Max 95 going for $110. 7.5 got $70 for those. Oh, here's a size 8. They only have an 8 and 11.5. They have $210 for those. Size 7 $90 for those. That's about it, dude. That's about it. Decent time to get stuff in the aisles too, because you do get an extra 20% off for Nike members. It does end tomorrow, so that's why I put out a video today. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. 80 for these. Jordan Westbrook Take Ones. Got the LeBrons right here. Soldiers. Fitness 5s. 80 Tray 5 9s. Fly Traps. Mortalities. Another one of those. Raider Impacts. There were Escapes. A couple of those. A couple, 3. Force 1 mids. These are Quick Strike. Some Air Max 2017s. Air Max 2090s. I guess it's 37s. Air Max Genomes. Terra Escape 90s. Terra Escape 97s. All these Terra Escapes ending up at the outlets. Phantom React Flyknit 2s. Tiger 7s. Another one of those. This is Trail 2s. Last one of those. And then just aisles of a bunch of generic stuff. Not really seeing much. There's these Jordan backpacks on sale. Not really. I still need one last Jordan backpack. I haven't seen a backpack on sale in forever though, man. Killing us. Gotta check out the apparel section, see what's going on here. Got a dope Niner shirt. This is a dry fit. It is a small though, $40. Normally $50. Do get an extra 30% off apparel, or clearance apparel, that is, my bad. Do got the Nike hoops, the Wheaties looking Nike hoop shirt, go for $20. That drops us down to what, $14. Damn, math hella slow today. What the hell? $20 for this Drew Lee shirt. Got Ram shirts on clearance, 30 down to 20. What size are these? Oh, these are all mediums. Raining bucket shirt. This is a small, going for 20. Luca shirts. What these going for? $25, normally $35. Dude got a Tentacumpo shorts right here. This looks like a women's shorts though, man. What the hell? $30. This is a large right here. Looks like a freaking skirt. Bunch of running shorts going for $30. All this stuff is 30% off as well. Not really finding much though. Fleece shorts right here going for $35. That's not bad. Double XL. Got Jordan shorts. These are small. Go for $30. $60 for this one. What the hell? What is that? A1? I don't recognize that one. No, I don't recognize that one. At least this one you get Jordan's like signature kind of. I do got one more sales rack right here, clearance rack. Got these wacky looking shirts going for $30, long sleeve. Nike shirt going for $20. Nike yoga sweatshirt looking thing going for 70. All right, I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Hoodie down to 65, down to 60. All right, I think we're done. I think we're done. Let's go check out. Well, I want to check out one more store actually, and then we'll check out some other stores. Dang, this might be a short vlog. Do got a couple jerseys that I do want to take a look at. This is a George Kittle jersey. I already have a George Kittle one. I got the 70, I think what, the 75th anniversary one too. This is the current season, so that's a 76 now. And then do got a Rice jersey down to $100. Only have a couple. Oh, only have a couple smalls. That's it. Just smalls in these, and then more of the Kittle jerseys. Dang it! Another shirt right here, dry fit, staying at 40. Then the hoodies. They've had a lot of hoodies on sale, but I feel like we've talked about it on so many different vlogs. All right, let's go. One more store. Those of you guys that do watch each of my videos, I came up on some freaking the Omni pumps. I came up on those for what, $60 or something? So I gotta check this out, man. 60% off, Reebok outlet. This should be quick. Usually only a couple aisles here to check. And yeah, 60% on a lot of stuff, but not the stuff that I'm looking for. Bunch of stuff not included in the promotion. All the latest Reeboks, the Iversons, not included. Another one right here. I've never even seen this colorway. Tumbled leather, kind of interesting. This is pretty dope, but not included. This one, hella cheap. And then the Insta Pumps, I'm just not into those. Solutions, these have been here forever. They got stuff like this, the Nanos and stuff. I guess some people, you know, if you're into workout stuff, maybe. Most people are into the classics and stuff though, but man, not included. A lot of stuff not included, man. That's checked out, dude. Checking out the clearance. Is this a size 11? Okay, these ain't bad. 55 for these. Some suede Club C's right here. Down to $55. Some more Solutions going for 65. This is size 13. Got some Iversons. Size 11, the DMX. These are 155. You did get that extra 60 off. Yeah, still too much. Still too much. Was that $75? I've been seeing a ton of these, the classic leather, the hair collab right here, going for 75. Everything in this section, the clearance section, is 60% off. 8.5 go for $1.25. Question mid, size 9.5 go for $130. More of these going for 55. This is size 10.5, my size. Questions go for $125. Yeah, see, I'm good on those. Size 8s. Got some of the answers right there. Size 12, bigger sizes. They just got these. Some wool Club C's right here. These ain't too bad, go for 85. Another one of these, different colorway. Still, oh, these are down to 65. Remember, you do get 60% off all this stuff. I don't know what the hell that is. 105 for that, damn. Got some answer 4, size 13s, go for 130. I'm not too big into the answers. I like the questions, not a big fan of the answers. That's a hell of a price though, $130. And that's about it. I was like, I saw the pump boxes, but yeah, it's just the Insta Furies. All right, they do got a couple of those. Yeah, Looney Tunes collab right here. And then I think this is, someone told me which collab this was. I forgot what it was. Y'all told me in the freaking, what's it called? Y'all told me in the comment section and I forgot. Dope. 170 for those. All right, I think that's about it, you guys. Let's wrap it up, man. Too bad a lot of the classic stuff here ain't on sale for 60% off, but all right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that was it, man. That was hella exciting. I'm gonna be honest, the first few minutes at the outlets, that was freaking insane. I had plenty of retros, almost 50% off. If you do the new account, like all the resellers do, if you do that, more than 50% off. Not bad, you guys. Pretty dope. Reebok outlet, it's all right. You know, it's all right. That's kind of the way it always is. But yeah, I'm gonna hit up a bunch of outlets today. I'm gonna try to hit up maybe 2, maybe more, because that's what happens, man. Like, I know the resellers the last 3-4 days ever since it started, been out and about, been grabbing deals left and right. You kind of have to do the same thing as them. You have to put in as much effort, you know. And for some people that's gonna work. Some people's not. You know, if you're working, you know, and you don't have time, then it is what it is. I don't blame you guys. You know, that's some why some people have to pay resale. That's why some people are able to get stuff for a discount. It takes a ton of work, but it's not for everybody, because it literally does take a ton of work. It does take a ton of time. But it is what it is. But yeah, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna go head out. I'm gonna head out a few other outlets. But yeah, thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty coming. Hope you guys saw my little news update video. You know, because I wanted you guys to try to capitalize on this ASAP. I usually throw that on Instagram. I throw it on YouTube because I thought that was that important for you guys. So hopefully you guys are going to take advantage. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Don't have time. Adidas is hiring though. Adidas is hiring. Oh, it's a job fair. Okay. So everybody here is hiring. Okay. So they're hiring. I did see that Nike is hiring. They had a little thing in front of them as well. So y'all need a job, man. Go hit them up. Some creeper cam action. They tell us not to be on our phones. Look, that fool's on his phone right now, man. Come on now, dog. Come on now, dog. Hope you guys can see it. It's dark.
Yeah.